Welcome to Gifa Token Crypto Exchange, the world's fastest growing crypto exchange. Right here now, you will learn about the quickest, simplest, and most efficient methods of trading crypto on the Gifa token trading platform from both your mobile phone, laptop, and desktop computer. If you are serious about trading and investing in crypto, you better learn how to trade on the Gifa Token Exchange. You can download the app on the Play Store and App Store for both Android and iPhone devices. It comes with enhanced security features and a digital wallet to allow users to buy and sell cryptos. As you can see in this video, I am scrolling the screenshots of the Gifa Exchange app. With some historic transactions and records captured, Gifa Token has two mobile apps that you can install on your smartphone separately. Let us quickly check the Gifa Wallet app. Gifa Wallet is a multi-currency digital wallet that allows users to store, trade, manage the collection of crypto including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, among many others. Once you have done with downloading the app and creating an account as well as deposited funds into your exchange account, now you are ready to trade on the Gifa Token Exchange, as you can see here how the exchange interface looks like in real time. The platform has all the features and trading tools a professional trader needs. If you are completely new to crypto, don't worry, the company will help you along the way to learn the most important aspects. Of course, the platform might intimidate you, but trust me, it's not that really difficult at all. You need to understand how it works, what the functionalities are, and how to take advantage of it. How to configure your trading account settings. Here you select how your own account controls the information and protect you from potential unwanted intrusions and hacking. Verification and two-factor authentication are very important because it keeps the bad guys out of your account by using both your password and your phone number for security purpose. Gifa Exchange's mission is to promote the use of crypto for everyone. My message to you, please stay safe wherever you are. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and families.